students, welcome to this video. Myself Shipra Agrawal here, and today we are going to do class 8 general knowledge chapter number 46. The name of the chapter is Mysterious Solved and Unsolved. कुछ ऐसी mystery हैं जो solved भी हुई हैं और कुछ unsolved भी रह गई हैं. Right, number first we are starting. कुछ options are given over here. Write the name of these mysterious phenomena. कुछ mysterious phenomena हैं, इनके name लिखने हैं. First number, light rays bend when they pass through layer of air that vary in density due to these different temperature. This forms upside down image of object. The inverter, जो inverter है, image looks like the reflection of the object in water. That is commonly on highways or in hot desert. Often an image of the sky is formed as a colored patch on the ground in the distance. This image look like water on the ground. जो image है वो कैसी लगती है, जैसे कि water है ground पे. Right answer is mirage. M-I-R-A-G-E, merge. Next, second, natural display of dancing curtains of colored light in the sky. Naturally ऐसा लगता है कि display हो रहा है कि जो dancing curtain है स्काई की तरफ आसमान में. सीन मोस्टली इन रीजन क्लोज टू द आर्कटिक एंड अंटार्कटिका सर्कल्स. आर्कटिक और अंटार्कटिक सर्कल्स के पास में दिखाई जाता है, जिसे नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स के नाम से जाना जाता है. इफ सीन इन द आर्कटिक रीजन एंड साउदर्न लाइट इन इफ सीन इन द अंटार्कटिक. Caused by change particles coming from the sun entering the earth's atmosphere and colliding with gas atoms in the upper reaches of the atmosphere. A. Northern Lights. Right answer is Aurora Borealis. B. Southern Lights. Right answer is Aurora Australis. Third, formed when ice crystal in the atmosphere refract, and split up light. Many types depending on how the crystals are oriented. The circular type looks like a ring around the sun or the moon. Not to be confused with a corona, which appears as a multicolored disk around the sun or the moon. ये बेटा आइसी क्रिस्टल होता है, एटमॉस्फेयर के रिफ्लेक्स से बनता है, कई बार लाइट में स्प्लिट भी हो जाता है, बहुत सारे टाइप का बनता है. राइट आंसर इज हेलो. इसमें बेटा क्रोना और हेलो दोनों में बहुत अंतर है. क्रोना इज़ डिफरेंट एज हेलो इज़ डिफरेंट, इसलिए इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होना. Next, a huge shoddy figure surrounded by a halo of colored rings sometimes looms up in front, startling climbers on foggy mountainsides. Many be seen when the sun shines from the behind and observes looking around from the mountainside and casts his shadows onto the clouds or fog below him. The colored rings are produced by the interaction of light with the water droplets on the cloud. Sometimes कुछ समय ऐसा होता है seen from aeroplanes. अगर एरोप्लेन से देखा जाता है तो especially common in the Brocken. ये commonly दिखाई देता है ब्रोकन में. and a peak in the Harz mountain in German. और हर्ज माउंटेन है जो जर्मन में, उसके पीक पे भी ये चीज़ दिखाई देती है. राइट आंसर इज ब्रोकन स्पेक्ट्रम. फिफ्थ, fortifs on the ground, hundreds of them in an arid region of southern Peru. They range from straight lines to geometric shape and figures of birds, a monkey, a spider and other. कुछ ऐसी लाइंस बेटा बनी हुई हैं जो मंकी की तरह दिखाई देती हैं, कभी स्पाइडर की तरह या फिर कभी कुछ और दिखाई देता है. So large that can be seen only for a height such as a top of surrounding hills, may by digging shallow ditches. No one knows for sure who man made them and why. A similar example in a Atacama giant sea figure above in Chile's Atacama Desert. This is the largest prehistoric humanoid figure in the world. ये बेटा अभी तक पता नहीं है किसने बनाया और क्यों बनाया है, लेकिन ये कुछ फिगर्स बनी हुई हैं जिसमें कि मंकी या कोई और तरीके के एनिमल्स या कोई भी शेप्स दिखाई देती है. राइट आंसर इज नस्का लाइन्स. इन्हें नस्का लाइन्स के नाम से जाना जाता है. 6. Circular patches of a bare land, each surrounded by a ring of lush grass, appear in the arid grassland of southwestern Africa, especially Namibia. They grow to about 15 m across before the vegetation covers them again. No one knows for sure why this happens. Some suggested reasons are competition among various types of grasses from water and nutrients, the activities of sand, termites and gases rings rising through the soil. राइट आंसर इज फेरी सन. इन्हें फेरी सन के नाम से भी जाना जाता, फेरी सर्कल के नाम से जाना जाता है. 7. Geometric pattern usually circular and covering huge areas. They are formed overnight by selectively flattening standing crops in fields. Found in various parts of the world but especially common in Wiltshire in England, first appeared in the 1970s and peaked in number and complexity in the 1980s and 90s. No one has seen one being made except self-made ones. Some suspected are hedgehogs, vines, UFOs, and people, two men confused in 1991. Pattern resembles the ones in fields have also been spotted the ocean floor, first in the 90s off the coast of Japan. These were found to have been made by male pufferfish trying to attract mates. बेटे जितना भी इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, if you find any confusion, I am going to explain you in the live class also, because in that you will be able to understand it more. Right answer of it is crop circle. इसका है crop circle. इसका जो full explanation है that I am going to provide you in the live classes. I hope it is clear. If you find any confusion, you can send me message. Otherwise, we can talk in the live classes. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.